Happy New Year to every single one of you Jaglives fans out there. Thank you very much for your support over the last year. It's been awesome. Now today we are here. Let's hope this is how it's going to carry on for the rest of the year. We're on my favourite road, the A928, heading over to Glams over there. We're going to go meet Bro just in a moment's time. We're going to have a sandwich and something to drink there, and then head over into Glams. As I said, there's that big radio mast that was at last week, folks, at Oxter House. It was a little bit nippy there today, but we're going to go and look at the waterfall, the secret waterfall. Now I was there just a few weeks ago with George, but Bro wants to go and have a look at it because he's never seen it with so much water in it before, he said. So we're going to attack it from the north this time and come under the tunnel under the Forfar Road and head into it that way rather than go all the way around the secret loch. So that's today's plan, folks. Just a couple of hours, get out of the house for a bit. Fantastic. Look at the view, folks. Can't really see over to the hills of Glen Clover. Seems to be a little bit misty, a bit cloudy over there. Yeah, look at it. A bit controversial then. We've got the wellies today, folks. Yeah, so we have the welly boots out today, folks. First attack of the year, and it's the welly boots. It's got to be because unfortunately I got rid of my boots on our last adventure up at Bin Hill, or the Bin, whatever it's called, the Bin in Burnt Island. My boots just soaked right through, so there's just not much point keeping them really, because they're going to be waterproof. They're no use to me at all. So what I'm going to have to do is go back and get some new boots from that place, that place in Montefieth, the factory shop. Yeah, I'm going to go there where I got my sketches from. I'm going to go back there and get some boots. But in the meantime, wellies will have to suffice. Classic, Bro's got two of the same foot.
No, there's not. It's obviously just kind of squint feet.
No, I think they're the same.
No, you can't have different thingy wellies. It must just be the...
Oh, I don't know what's going on. I think they look like the same shape.
Well, because that foot I've got is a kind of club foot anyway.
Like the heel's the same. Turn them upside down. Face the sole up.
Well, they're different.
Are they?
Yeah, because that wouldn't help with that one then. Yeah,
okay.
fine enough. Why don't we do that, bro?
Right, well today we are the welly boys and the hat boys as well. Look, got the same hats on. Yes. Here we go. Reindeer. Let's spot the heron, folks. There it is. Water pump here. There's the modern age water tap compared to the old age one there. And a sundial. Look at this, folks. A sundial.
The time then?
The time's about 12 o'clock. See where that shadow thing is?
That says it's like 6.
Well, that's the 12 there, isn't it? Here's Bro trying to tell the time.
Yeah, X.
Well, if you get out of the way of the sun, Bro,
sorry,
that's it. Then you can see where the
yes, I see it now.
that's like your hour hand. Okay, which says 12.
Yeah.
And we did meet it about that time, so there we go. Fantastic. It's the estate's office, folks. Well, we're at this timber yard. I think we head down here in a little. Sure. Look at all this old mills. Look at them all. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, we will. Oh, there could be a bit of a disaster here. The tunnel might be overflowing with water. Hang on. I'm going to sort of work my way down here, folks. See how we get on. Oh, what a dangerous start to the year this is. Right. Right. Oh, I don't know, folks. I don't know. Well, Right, folks, so the first part of the day there, it's a disaster. We're not going to get through there. It's just too much water. So we're going to have to retreat our steps and actually go across the road and head up. It's not too much of a disaster, but that was going to be part of the fun, was going through the tunnel today. Still, never mind. Where's bro? He's abandoned me already. The falls are further. The falls are miles up. Yeah, well, not miles up, but right. Right, folks, another disaster. We're on the wrong side now. We're on the wrong side, so we need to go back, walk along the very dangerous road. Be careful up here, bro. And then back up in the gully and into the falls that way. Crikey. It's another disaster, folks. Look, there's 2 bulls. Oh my goodness.
Big massive one, look at us.
Oh, bro's got you eyed up there. Bull's getting up. The bull is getting up, folks. The bull has arisen. Oh no, crikey. Oh, look at his horns, bro. Let's give it to get out of here. Bro's pure quaking it. Can you smell the shite from here, folks? Right, well, we've kind of arrived in the bit now. Up there is the main road. There's the river. So here we go.
The falls are kind of...
Well, they're not too far away, bro. They're just sort of up around the corner.
The water went that way, though.
Well, I suppose it would do at some point, yeah. Back in the day. Well, there's still some storm damage here. Not so much in this little area because it's a bit more sheltered than some of the other areas. But a bit of a mud fest down here today.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep. However, I think it's looking quite promising for the waterfall. And it was a good call about the boots today, I must admit.
Yes.
Because with the boots, with the normal hiking boots, it would have just been a total... Look at that. Was that down last time? I can't remember.
I think so.
No, wow.
This one here,
The whole tree's gone down. Look, crikey. Devastation. Oh, look, this is just totally snapped. Crikey. Wow. Yep. Oh yes. Oh wow. Excellent. Wow.
Awesome.
Yes. Bro is speechless. I think this is the most excited I've seen bro about anything for a long, long time. Oh, you had a bit of a stumble there though. Careful. Awesome. What a find, bro. What a find. Well, today on the ometer, this is going to get a 9 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, it's
Definitely 9 out of 10 on the ometer. So it really is a fantastic little hidden gem, this area, man. I'm not actually sure the name. I think it's called Hunter's Den. But as I said, it's a secret little gem right here, just on our doorstep on the A928, man. Fantastic. Just wonderful. That's equal to any waterfall in Scotland. Well, maybe not, but you know, it's for just being 5 miles away from where you live. I mean, you can't really beat that, can you? Good God. Well, thank goodness for the wellies, that's all I can say, folks. Absolute bogfest there. Right, I'm going to walk to the top of the waterfall now and see what it's like over here. Damn, it's made it to the top of the fall right here. Right. Now up here, folks, last time I came up here, I followed this little path and I came round the back of these bushes here, and I'm sure it was a place where deer sleep and crash out. I'm sure it's just round the corner here. We shall see. I think it's in here that they sleep. It's well protected, hidden area. Right, so Bro and I have come off the beaten path here. We're coming around I think this will take us to the back of the quarry. So, as you can see, all this ground is really flat here. So, I reckon this is where the deer kind of chill out and breed. This will be their little bit. This is total deer country here, man. Look at it. Steep hills and paths, woodland, water. Excellent. Right there. Folks, I saw some deer just where the green, where the trees start, just there. The young deer. So as you can see, we're actually really high up now. I think this is called Hunter's Hill. Excellent. Have a good look. There's quite a lot of it in this. They're always like on right, folks, so we've just come down from up there. We've just seen a man, a runner, how dare he. So we're going to head back down over the bridge and back around and back down to Glamisin. That's a great explore up there though. Obviously that's total deer land up there, man, that's where we were. We didn't see any. I thought I saw one deer, one ear of a deer. An ear of a deer, yes. Wow. Path is severely blocked here. Well, got plenty of points in the cool dude's spotter's handbook there for that. Wow. Yeah, look at all the devastation here, man, as well. So we've just come all the way around. The waterfall's over there. We just came all the way around. We were up there, up in the top of the trees there. And we've come all the way around back to where we normally sort of start our walk. Right, folks, well there we go. There's New Year's. What's today? The 2nd of January. The adventure is over. Started with a fail, the tunnel, but then it ended with an exploration of a hidden path that we've never been on before. So, all in all, a great day out with a fantastic waterfall.
The waterfall made it, definitely.
Oh yeah, certainly was. Yeah. So there we go, folks. Thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the year because there's going to be plenty more Spiz adventures, Jaglives, and
Solobro. Don't forget Solobro. Please subscribe to my channel.
Please.
Just like it. I don't have to watch my videos, but just like it, please. Thank you.
Just do what I do. Just flick through them, folks. That's all you have to do. Bro. Bull.